Want to know how to create a CV or a resume for yourself just by using an AI agent? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to open up AgentGPT and make sure you are logged in. So we have also created similar videos about AgentGPT, so make sure to watch it. So once you're there, here on the leftmost side, you should be seeing pages right here, and right below it, you should be seeing templates, just simple like that. So now once you're under templates, here you should be under this interface right here, and what you can do is you can just simply scroll down a little bit, and once you scroll down, you should be seeing resume GPT. You can just simply like that. If you don't find it, you can just simply search for it. So once you figure that, what it does is it customizes and give you that specific prompt and the name itself. So you can just simply let play. Once that is done, and it should create you a professional CV for yourself in a while. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. See you in the next one.